Welcome to Maths Farm. Today is the first day of our Aptitude series. So here is the question. You can read the question as many times as you want because reading the question is very important in order to understand what you have to do in the question, what is given in the question. So I'll read it once for you. A generous man set aside a certain sum of money for equal distribution weekly to the needy of his acquaintance. One day, he remarked, if there are fewer applicants next week, you will each receive $2 more. Unfortunately, instead of there being fewer, there were actually 4 more persons applying for the gift. This means, he pointed out, that you will each receive $1 less. How much did each person receive at the last distribution? Now we have read the question once. There are 2 unknown things, which is the number of people and the sum of money. We don't know how much and how many of them are there. So we'll just assume first of all that the sum of money will be X and the number of people will be Y. Now, if I have 50 rupees and I have to distribute it amongst 5 people, then each person will get 10 rupees. Similarly, if I have X money, then I have to divide it between Y people, then the amount that each person will get would be X divided by Y. That is what is written here. Now, in the question, it is given that if there are 5 fewer applicants next week, each will receive $2 more. So, the number of people here are decreasing, which means if Y is the total number of people, then we'll subtract 5 from Y because the number of people are decreasing. The sum, which is the amount of money, that remains the same. So sum of money each acquaintance received if there were 5 less acquaintance would be X divided by Y minus 5 because 5 people are getting reduced. Now, if each acquaintance received when there were the sum of money each acquaintance received when there were 4 more acquaintances, which means the number of people are getting increased by 4, which means Y becomes Y plus 4. X remains the same because the amount of money is given it's constant, but the number of people are getting decreased or increased with regarding the question. So we just write Y plus 4 instead of Y. Now, after reading the question, we'll understand that it's written, very well written, that if there were 5 fewer applicants, each would have received $2 more. Each would have received $2 more. What would you understand by this line? Initially, everyone was getting X by Y money, but now they would be getting $2 more. So we'll just add 2 with X by Y. So the equation becomes X by Y minus 5 is equal to X by Y plus 2. So in case where there are 5 less applicants, they would be getting $2 more. Now we'll just rearrange everything and we get this equation, which is Y square is equal to 5 by 2 bracket X plus 2Y. I will explain you the steps. So in the first equation, we'll go back to the first equation, which is X divided by Y minus 5 is equal to X by Y plus 2. So we'll just take the LCM, which is X plus 2y divided by Y. We'll take Y to the other side and then we'll multiply Y minus 5 to X plus 2y. And then we'll just rearrange, we'll open the brackets, and that by rearranging, we'll just get Y square. Mind that yx and yx will get cancelled on both the sides. So the equation that we get is Y square is equal to 5 by 2 X plus 2y. So this is our equation 1. Now the next equation is formed by this statement. Because there were 4 more persons, everyone received $1 less. So now initially the amount of money that everyone was getting was X by Y. Now they'll be receiving $1 less, which is X by Y minus 1. That is equal to X divided by Y plus 4 because there are 4 more people added. So again, we'll do the same process. We'll take the LCM, take Y to the other side, and then multiply Y plus 4 with X minus Y. and then we'll open the brackets, solve it, and we'll get y square is equal to 4 x minus y in the bracket. So this is our equation 2. So now we found two equations with a y square in the LHS. So now we can equate those two equations. So equating the values of y square from equation 1 and 2, we get this equation 4 bracket x minus y is equal to 5 bracket x plus 2y divided by 2. So on solving this, we get x by y as 6. Now we know the value of x by y. We'll just put it in either equation 1 or equation 2, and then we'll get the answer. So we'll just take this equation, x divided by y plus 4 is equal to x divided by y minus 1. So we'll just put x by y as 6. So 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So now we have the answer, which is equal to 5. So the amount of money that every person will get is 5 rupees. I hope you understood the question. You could get confused on this question, but I would suggest you to read this question 2 to 3 times in order to understand what you have to actually do. Thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, do subscribe to our channel and do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Keep watching our videos.